if x and y are positive integers, x plus xy plus y is equals to 76, then what is the value of x plus y? Here the solution is, we have x plus xy plus y is equals to 76. Also x and y are positive integer. If x and y are positive integer, it means x comma y is greater than equals to 1. Therefore x is greater than equals to 1, y is greater than equals to 1, x plus 1 is greater than equals to 2, y plus 1 is greater than equals to 2. Put it as a equation 1. As x plus xy plus y is equal to 76, we can solve it by factorization method. I will take out x from these two. X 1 plus y is equals to 76. Adding 1 both side, y plus 1 is equals to 76 plus 1. X 1 plus y, 1 take out from these two, 1 plus y is equals to 77. I can write x plus 1 plus y as y plus 1 is equals to 77. As from equation from 1, x plus 1 is greater than equals to 1, y plus 1 is greater than equals to 1. Oh, sorry. 77 can be written as the multiple of 1 into 77, 77 into 1, 11 into 7 and 7 into 11. We have 4 cases. If x plus 1, y plus 1 is equals to 1 into 77, then x plus 1 is equals to 1 or y plus 1 is equals to 77. This is not possible from equation 1. Therefore, both the cases are cancelled as x plus 1 is greater than equals to 2. Therefore, we have left only 2 cases. X plus 1, y plus 1 is equals to 11 multiply 7. Therefore, x plus 1 is equals to 11, y plus 1 is equals to 7, x is equals to 10, y is equals to 6. We get the value of x plus y is equals to 16. This is last case. X plus 1, y plus 1 is equals to 7 multiply 11. We get x plus 1 is equals to 7, y plus 1 is equals to 11, x is equals to 6, y is equals to 10, x plus y is equals to 16. Both the cases x plus y is equals to 16. Hence the answer is this. Hope you will like this video. Thank you.